Okay, so this is third question for today. So again, this is of tangent and normal only. So the third question today is prove that. So I am writing the question also. So prove that the curves. So y is equal to. So prove that the curve y square is equal to x and xy is equal to k cut at right angle if the condition is how much here 8k square is equal to 1. So this is the question. The question is how much here two curves are given. This is one curve. Certainly y square is given, x is given. So this is parabola. This is also of two variable. This is also curve. So these two curves cut at right angle. It means when we have to prove 8k square is equal to 1. So this is quite simply we can understand. So two curves cut. Suppose these two curves are cutting. It means the curves are cutting at right angle. It means what? The tangent at the point of intersection are at right angle. Curves are at right angle means the tangent at point of intersections are at right angle. So simply suppose this is one curve and this is second curve. So we can find the tangent over here. This is tangent 1 and this is tangent 2. So these two tangents make an angle of 90 degree with each other. So tangents cut at right angle, it means the two curves intersect at a point. At this point, the angle between them is means angle between the tangents is 90 degree. So what we have to do? So we are going to do the steps like this one. First step find point of intersection this is one first time we need. Second thing we need over here is how much here slope of tangent to the curve 1 and curves at 1 and 2 at point of intersection. So two things we have to do. First of all, we have to find the point of intersection. Second thing, we have to find the slope at the point of intersection. Means slope of tangent. Slope means slope of tangent at the point of intersection. So let us do this one. How we can do? So this is given curve. First curve is how much here? Y square is equal to x. This is first curve. Second curve is x into y is equal to k. This is second curve. Now solve these two. 1 and 2 we are going to solve. So simply x is equal to y square. So y square into y is equal to k. So y cube is equal to k. It means y the value is how much here? K to the power 1 by 3. So simply this one is, if we simplify this thing, so y cube whole the power 1 by 3 is k to the power 1 by 3. So y the value is how much here? K to the power 1 by 3. Now one coordinate y coordinate we have got. Now put the value in any one of the equation. So y value we put, so from 1 put the value in 1. So what we get? Y means k to the power 1 by 3 to the power 2 is equal to x. It means x is equal to k to the power 2 by 3. It means point of intersection we have got. Point of intersection of the curve of the curves is how much here? X coordinate is k to the power 2 by 3 into x to the power 1 by 3. This is point of intersection, means x naught comma y naught अथवा x1 or y1. So this is point of intersection. Now next thing we have to find slope of the curve, means slope of the tangent to the first curve and second curve at this point of intersection. So do this one. So first curve, this is how much here? y square is equal to x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So dy square upon dx is equal to dx upon dx. So simply we can get this is curve 1. Curve 1. So 2y dy upon dx is equal to 1. It means dy upon dx, the value is 1 upon 2y. Okay. So now at which one point we have to find? K 2 by 3 comma K 1 by 3 dy upon dx is equal to how much here? 1 by 2 into k to the power 1 by 3. So this is slope 1. We can suppose for easy we can say this is m1. So this is m1. So first curve the slope we have found. So now we are going to find the slope of the curve 2. So curve 2 is over here. So now we are finding the slope of the curve 2. So curve 2, second curve, this is how much d of xy over dx is equal to d of k over dx. So we know this is how much product rule. I think all of you know this one. Product rule for derivative. Derivative of u into v over dx, where u and v are function of x, is equal to v du upon dx plus u dv upon dx. So I am using over here to find the derivative. Two variables are x is 1 u, y is v. So this one derivative comes y dx upon dx plus x dy upon dy, and this is already given. Sorry, this is how much here x, yeah, y dx upon dx into x dy upon dx, not x, not y. Okay, and dk is constant already, so this one is 0. So this is how much y into 1 plus x dy upon dx is equal to 0. So we have to find dy upon dx. So dy upon dx is equal to minus y. This is x over here. So finally dy upon dx is equal to minus y by x. So dy upon dx, at which point we have to find? At the point given is how much here? Point of intersection k to the power 3 comma k to the power 1 by 3. So this is required point. So this is value. Y is how much here? Minus k to the power 1 by 3 divided by k to the power 2 by 3. So how much we can get? So k cancel. So finally we are getting how much here? Dy upon dx at this point is how much here? Minus k to the power. So this is simplify this one. So k to the power 1 by 3. This is minus 2 by 3. Clear? So this is k to the power minus k to the power minus 1 by 3. So simply we can write k to the power minus 1 by 3, or we can take the positive value also. So second slope, suppose this slope is 2. Okay, so this much is. Now just I am going to revise the question once more. Prove that these curves cut at right angle if 8k square is equal to 1. So cuts at right angle means slope of tangent 1 into slope of tangent 2 must be minus 1. So these are perpendicular to each other. So product of the slope of the tangent must be minus 1. So product of slope of tangents m1 into m2 is equal to, so first one is we have got over here, the first one slope is so dy upon dx is equal to, first one slope is how much? Just I am writing over here 1 by 2 into k to the power 1 by 3. Second slope is minus 1 upon k to the power 1 by 3. So into minus 1 upon k to the power 1 by 3. So this is equal to 1. So this one is equal to how much here? Minus 1 by 2 into k to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. So now simplify, this is minus 1 is equal to 2 into k to the power 2 by 3. Okay, and we have to remove this 3, so we are going to cube on both sides. We have to remove this one upon 3, so cubing on both sides. Just a minute. Product of slope is how much here? Minus 1. So this one is the minus 1, and this is also negative, this is also negative, so negative and negative cancels out. Now cubing on both sides means 1 cube is equal to 2k to the power 2 by 3 the cube. So this is 1 cube is 1, this is 2 cube into k to the power 2 by 3 into 3. So finally 1 is equal to 8 into k to the power 2. So this is 8k square is equal to 1. So what we have to prove over here? We have the question is prove that the curves y square is equal to x and xy is equal to k cut at right angle if 8k square is equal to 1. And what we have got, they are cutting each other, so product of the slope is minus 1. So we have kept the value of slopes over here and simplifying this one, so 1 is equal to this much, 3 and 3 over here cancels out, so 8k square is equal to 1, and this is our required result, this is proved. So this is all for this question. So this question is not so easy, and you have to care about the steps, first step, second step, then after you have to solve simply and you can get the result. Okay, thank you.